Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 75 GMC Jimmy. You can see DAKOTA gauges. Good sound exhaust. 6 liter in it. There's your stereo. And here's your fan running. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right, no horn. There you can see your wipers working. And we'll show you our lights and take a listen to it. Electric cooling fans, aluminum radiator. It's a 6 liter. The computer's out of a 99 Chevy. You see the washer pumps on hooked up on the wipers. There's your lights. Has an 81 front clip on it, so kind of a unique truck. Obviously 6-inch lift. What are they, 35s? Yep, 35 1250s. There's your tail lights. So I think the only thing that doesn't work is the horn. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.